Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a basic mandala grid that you can use for all kinds of mandalas. For this I'll be using a cold press paper, but since I do not like the texture of the paper, I'm going to flip it and use the smooth side. For the grid I'll be using a scale, a basic compass, a mechanical pencil, a protractor as well as an eraser. Now that all the materials are in place, let's start the grid. Now I'm going to use the scale to find the center of the paper. The very first step, I'm going to mark the center towards the top of the paper and repeat the same step towards the bottom. Using a scale, connect both the points to find the horizontal half of the paper. Repeat this step on the other two sides to create a plus looking sign to find the exact center of the paper. To make the circular grid, first start by marking points 0.5 centimeters apart from each other starting from the center. You can do this for as big a circle as you like. Use a compass to draw circles of various radii using the help of these points as baselines and draw a set of concentric circles to finish the grid. The extra lines that you don't need can now be erased. For the angular grid, use a protractor and ensure that the center of the protractor is aligned to the center of the circle as well as the 0 and 180 points are aligned to the central axis. For a basic grid, take these markings at 10 degrees apart from each other. You can also opt for a 5, 15 or a 20-degree grid depending on how intricate you want your artwork to be. Now repeat these steps by flipping the protractor and taking the same markings on the other half of the circle as well. Use a scale to connect the points. While connecting the points, always ensure that there are two opposite points from the central axis and the line is always passing through the center of the circle. Repeat this process for all the remaining points. The basic mandala grid is now ready. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such tips.